Dan McQuillan is a lecturer in creative and social computing at the University of London. So tell me, what level of our lives are under algorithmic control these days?
Well, certainly algorithms are affecting the opportunities we get and the directions we go in so many ways that we don't even realise, because it might be deciding actually if we get interviewed for a job. Certainly deciding whether we get a loan. It might be having an influence on where we live. So pretty fundamental things. And the more and more that the smart city gets rolled out, it'll influence the experience of our daily lives.
And how's this coming about?
But partly because it can. You've got the opportunity of big data being generated, somewhat as a side effect of the fact that all social relations are now digitised, and then the algorithms that can process that, and a whole science, which is now called data science, of processing those algorithms and coming up with predictions. And those predictions are hugely profitable for some people.
And what are the potential impacts of this?
I think the impacts have come on the levels of ethics and rights and opportunities. So pretty much everything that you can think of in terms of our current understanding of what our levels of freedom are.
And how should we be thinking, we the people, how should we be thinking about this?
It's a really interesting question, because this threat seems to be technical. And I don't think that everyone is going to want to become an expert in machine learning. And yet somehow we need to get a grip on how this stuff generally works, in the same way that we all have our own idea of somehow how the bureaucratic system of government works. We need to understand what else is going on in our lives before we start to have discussions together about what to do about it.
Thank you very much.
Is that it?